Assalamualaikum guys. So dear guys, our today's topic is Julius Caesar. It's class 8th English. Our topic is Julius Caesar. Now I will tell you a short summary of this lesson. As I have already given you the introduction of this lesson. So now we start from here. Julius Caesar is a highly Julius Caesar is a highly successful leader of Rome whose popularity seems to model that of king. Successful leader means who have a lot of experience about their leadership. Successful means kamyab. So Caesar was a successful leader. Understand?
Yes, sir.
And his popularity means shohrat. His popularity seems to model that of a king. उसकी जो popularity थी ऐसा लग रहा था that was like a king, जैसे एक बादशाह की होती है. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Although Caesar was loved and supported by his citizens. Caesar was supported, he was helped by his people. लोग उसको support करते थे. Although Caesar was loved and supported by his citizens, some began to grow weary of his increase in power. पर कुछ लोगों को उसका power अच्छा नहीं लगा. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Soon, these various citizens conspire to assassinate Caesar before he becomes king, thus turning their republic government into the monarchy. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Republic means a government by the people. Monarchy is a government by a monarch. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Monarch is also a kind of government, but it is governed by a monarch. Monarchy, huh? Bigger republic, that is democracy. So many people grow against Caesar and decided to kill him. Understand?
Yes, sir.
And this party was called the Roman party. Understand?
Yes, sir.
So dear guys, now see from here. Soon these very citizens conspire to assassinate Caesar before he becomes king, thus turning their republic government into a monarchy. Cassius, the leader of the conspirators, एक आदमी था जिसका नाम क्या था? कैशियस. उसने बनाई कॉन्स्पिरेसी मीन्स जो पॉलिसी बनाने वाले थे ना, उनका हेड कौन था? कैशियस. अंडरस्टैंड? कैशियस, द लीडर ऑफ द कॉन्स्पिरेटर्स, कन्विंस मार्कस ब्रूटस. उसने किसको तैयार किया? ब्रूटस को. Caesar's most trusted friend. You know guys, Brutus was also a friend of Caesar.
Yes, sir.
To join the conspiracy. During a celebration means it's a kind of party. During a celebration, Caesar is warned by the soothsayer that he must beware the idols of malt. The next morning, despite his wife California, please, Caesar travels to the Senate house where the conspirators assassinate him. फिर उस सेलिब्रेशन में गया वो. As you know, उसकी वाइफ ने ख्वाब भी देखा था. उसकी वाइफ ने एक ड्रीम आया था. उसको ड्रीम में उसने देखा था इसका स्टैचू. किसका? केजार का स्टैचू, जिस पे ब्लड वो छलक रहा था और लोग उसमें हाथ धो रहे थे. His wife begged him to stop, not to go to the Capitol, but Caesar went to the Capitol where his enemies assassinated him. The next morning, despite Caesar's wife California flees, Caesar travels to the Senate house where the conspirators assassinate him. Caesar's friend Mark Antony. Mark Antony provides the famous Caesar's friend Mark Antony provides the famous funeral oration, and inside is the crowd to riot, leading to a civil war. Antony Octavius, Caesar's heroes, join the fight against the conspirators. Antony and Octavius defeat the conspirators, avenging Caesar's death and restoring order to Rome. Understand, guys?
Yes, sir.
So after that, what happened when Brutus and his friend Cats etc. killed Caesar. Then after that, his friends Mark Antony and others take revenge of his death. उसने उसके मौत का बदला लिया. So in short, we can say Caesar was a great leader, but unfortunately he was killed by his friends and he was killed by the Roman party. Understand?
Yes, sir.
After his assassination, his friends, that was Mark Antony and Octavius join the fight against the conspirators. Antony and Octavius defeat the conspirators. उसके बाद उसके जो friends थे Octavius and Antony, they take revenge. उन्होंने बदला लिया उसके मौत का. और finally, this is the end of the
Lesson.
Understand, guys?
Yes, sir.
This was just a summary, and we will read it in detail in our book. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, guys. Wish you all the best.
Thank you.